Now we take up problem number 7. If delta is the area of the triangle formed by the positive x-axis and the normal and the tangent, positive x-axis, comma, the normal and the tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 at 1 comma root 3, then delta is equal to option number 1 root 3 by 2 square units, all are square units. Number 2 root 3 square units, 3 2 root 3 square units, and 4 6 square units. Okay? Right. Now you can have that is a tangent and normal circle center origin and 1 comma root 3 the point P 1 comma root 3. So the tangent this is and normal. So now tangent at P1 root 3 is x into 1 plus root 3 into y is equal to 4. Now here in this put y is equal to 0. Put in this y is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 4. So therefore tangent at 1 comma root 3 meets x-axis, positive x-axis at a 4 comma 0 and the normal at P is OP. Normal at P is OP. So therefore delta is equal to area of triangle OAP. So which is equal to 1 by 2 into OAP x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, root 3, 1, 1, 1. So that is equal to half of, so the area is modulus of, if you take root 3 into 1 minus 0, root 3, this is not, just wait, this root 3 into 0 minus 4 modulus, which is 2 root 3, which is equal to 2 root 3. So correct option is Correct option is 3. 2 root 3 square units. Eighth problem, problem number 8. If the circles S dash is equal to x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0, and S double dash is equal to x square plus y square plus 4x plus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. Intersect in A and B. Intersect in A and B. Then the equation of the circle described on AB as diameter is number 1, x square plus y square plus x plus 3y plus 3 equal to 0. Number 2, 2x square plus 2y square plus 2x plus 6y plus 1 equal to 0. And 3, x square plus y square plus x plus 6y plus 1 equal to 0. 4, 2x square plus 2y square plus x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Passing through the points of intersection A comma B of the two circles of S is equal to 0, S dash equal to 0, S double dash equal to 0 is S is equal to x square or is of the form S is equal to S dash plus lambda into S dash minus S double dash is equal to 0. Or that is, so that means S dash means you will have x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 plus lambda times S dash minus S. S dash minus S means minus 2x, 3y will cancel, and minus 1 equal to 0. Right? That means now for this circle, AB is a diameter meter, implies the center of the circle must lie on 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is because radical axis. So that is the center is equal to minus 1 minus lambda, minus g minus f, is not minus 1 plus lambda, comma minus 3 by 2 right, minus 3 by 2 lies on 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So that means 2 into minus 1 plus lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. That implies 2 lambda is equal to 1, or lambda is equal to 1 by 2. Lambda is equal to 1 by 2. So therefore, required circle is x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 plus half into lambda is equal to half plus half into minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So that is 2x square plus 2y square, see, plus 4x minus 2x plus 2x, 6y plus 6y plus 2 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x square plus 2y square plus 2x plus 6y plus 1 equal to 0. So the correct option is option number 2. You see the option number 2. Answer is option number 2. 2x square plus 2y square plus 2x plus 6y plus 1 equal to 0. S is equal to x square plus y square minus 5 equal to 0. P2 comma 1 is a point. Right. Now let A and B be 2 points on the circle on S is equal to 0 such that PA is equal to PB is equal to root 2. PA is equal to PB is equal to root 2. Then the equation of the chord AB is 1. Equation of chord AB is 1. 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. 2. 2x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. 3. 2x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. 4. X plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Equation 3, consider the circle with P2 comma 1 as center, with P2 comma 1 as its center and radius root 2, so that the equation of AB, is the intersection is S minus S dash equal to 0. So now S dash is equal to x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square minus 2 equal to 0. Or that is S dash is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. So therefore equation of AB is S minus S dash is equal to 4x plus 2y, 4x plus 2y, and 4x plus 2y, s minus s dash, minus 8. Minus 8 equal to 0. So that is 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0, which is option number 2, which is option number, sorry, which is option number 1, 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. So answer is option 1, option 1 itself. For the circle s is equal to x square plus y square minus 25 equal to 0, the points P minus 3 comma 4 and Q 3 comma minus 4, 3 comma minus 4 are number 1, inverse points, 2, conjugate points, 3, ends of a diameter and 4, poles of the lines x plus y plus 15 equal to 0 and x plus y plus 15 equal to 0 and x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. That is. Now, for the circle s is equal to 0, origin 0, 0 is the center. 0, 0 is the center. And you can see that, P minus 3 comma 4 and Q 3 comma minus 4 lie on s is equal to 0. And the midpoint of PQ is 0 comma 0, so that P and Q are extremities of a diameter. So, correct option is option number 3. Option number 3 is the correct option. If the points A 2 comma 0 and B 0 comma 1 and C 4 comma 0 and D 0 comma K are concyclic, then value of K is number 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8 and 4, 2. What you are given is A 2 comma 0 and C 4 comma 0 B 0 comma 1 and D 0 comma K. This is B and D 0 comma K. Okay. Now you can have that is. Now there is one condition, please see, and it is known that the two lines ax1 a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 intersect the axis in concyclic points. If a1 a2 is equal to b1 b2. If a1 a2 is equal to b1 b2. Okay. So now the equation of AB is A means 2 0. So y minus 0 is equal to 1 minus 0 by 0 minus 2 into x minus 2, or that is minus 2y is equal to x minus 2 or x plus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is one line. That is a one line. And equation of CD. Equation of CD is CD, means that is y minus k is equal to k minus 4, k minus 0 by 0 minus 4 into x minus 0, y minus k into x minus 0, CD. So this shows that minus 4y plus 4k is equal to kx, or 4y plus 4k minus 4k, what is this? Please take this one. Kx plus 4y minus 4k equal to 0, number 2. So now a1 a2 is equal to b1 b2 implies, so what is a1 a2 here? a1 a2, that means k, plus b1 is equal to b1 b2 means 2 into 4 is equal to 8. So therefore k is equal to 2 into 4, which is 8. So this you can check, because it's a theory. a1 a2 plus a1 a2 is equal to b1 b2. So k is equal to 8. So the correct option is option number 3. Problem 12. The locus of the midpoint of chords, midpoints of chords of the circle, locus of the midpoint of the chords of the circle, chord of the circle, S is equal to x square plus y square minus 2x equal to 0, pass through, which pass through 0, 0 is number 1, x square plus y square plus x plus y is equal to 0. Number 2, x square plus y square minus x equal to 0. 3, x square plus y square plus 2x plus y is equal to 0. And 4, x square plus y square is equal to 1. Okay? Right. So what you are given is, you are given a circle with center 1, 0 and radius 1. So the center 1, 0 and of course radius 1. Now what he is doing is, so this is 1, 0 means on x-axis, that is, he wants all the chords passing through origin. The chords passing through origin, their midpoints locus is asking. Their midpoints are asking. Okay. So now let mx1 y1 be the midpoint, the midpoint of a chord AB of S is equal to 0, which passes through origin, which passes through 0, 0. So that is S1 is equal to xx1 plus yy1 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square pass through origin. Pass through origin. So xx1, s1 equal to 0. Sorry, xx1 plus yy1, just small correction. xx1 plus y1 minus of x plus x1, minus of x plus x1 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus 2x1, minus 2x1. So this passes through 0, 0, implies minus x1 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus 2x1. So that implies x1 square plus y1 square minus x1 equal to 0. So therefore locus is x square plus y square minus x equal to 0. So which is x square plus y square minus x is equal to 0. So answer is option number 2. Option number 2 itself. Right. Problem number 13 is the radical center of three circles is at the origin. And two of the circles are S dash is equal to x square plus y square minus 1 equal to 0. S double dash is equal to x square plus y square plus 4x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. if the third circle, passes through the points, ఇది మర్చిపోయాను, the points, passes through the points 1, 1 and -2, 1, -2, 1, then its equation is number 1, x square plus y square plus x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. 2, x square plus y square minus x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. 3, x square plus y square plus x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. 0 is the radical center. The constant term of the third circle must be -1. The constant term must be -1. So now let S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 1 equal to 0 be the third circle. Third circle. So now this passes through 1, 1 implies 2g plus 2f, 2g plus 2f plus 1 equal to 0. 1 plus 1, 2 minus 1 is equal to -1, and also passes through -2, 1. -2, 1 implies -4g plus 2f is equal to 5 minus 1, 4 minus 4. Now solve. So solving this, you will get, if you take off, then g is equal to then 6g is equal to 3, and g is equal to 3 by half. G is equal to half, and f is equal to g is equal to half, and f is equal to, when g is equal to half, 1, f is equal to -1. F is equal to -1. Because see, when g is equal to half, this is 1, 2f is equal to -2, so f is equal to -1. Now substitute the values of g and f. So therefore s is equal to x square plus y square, g is equal to half. So g is equal to half means plus x, and f is equal to -1 means -2y. F is equal to -1 means -2y. S is equal to x square plus x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. So here a slight mistake. This in option number 1, it is -2y is equal to -1 equal to 0. Instead of -y, it is -2y. If the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus C is equal to 0 is touched by the line, y is equal to x, at the point P, such that the distance OP is equal to 6 root 2, where O is the origin. Then the value of C. Is 1, 144, 2, 72, 3, 36, 4, 26. Of course, this is asked in 2000 IIT. This circle touched by the line y is equal to x, right? So you are given that the y is equal to line axis is there, and a circle touches the line at P such that this distance is 6 root 2, and C is the center, minus G comma minus F, and this is the radius. Radius is equal to square root of G square plus F square minus C. Now we know that C is equal to minus G minus F is the center, and radius is equal to square root of G square plus F square minus C. Now, if you see that triangle OPC is a right angled triangle, triangle is right angled at P, because this OP is a tangent. So therefore by Pythagoras theorem, CP square is equal to CO square, OC square is equal to OP square plus CP square. So that implies G square plus F square is equal to OP square means 36 into 2 plus CP square means radius square, G square plus F square minus C. So therefore C is equal to 72. Therefore C is equal to 72. G square, F square cancel. So if you bring C to this side, C is equal to 36 into 2, which is 72. So the correct answer is option number 2. If the line y is equal to 2x intersects the circle S is equal to x square plus y square minus 10x equal to 0 in 2 points A and B, then the circle described on AB as a diameter is number 1 x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y is equal to 0. Number 2 x square plus y square minus 14x plus 2y is equal to 0. 3 x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y is equal to 0. And 4 x square plus y square minus 14x, minus 18x plus 14y is equal to 0. See, as usual, these models we did already. So, you are given a circle S is equal to 0, x square plus y square minus 10x equal to 0, and a line y is equal to 2x. It meets the circle in A and B. Now, you can have that is the required circle is of the form x square plus y square minus 10x plus lambda into 2x minus y is equal to 0. Okay. Now, center of this circle is equal to minus 5 minus lambda, minus 5 minus lambda, and lambda by 2, minus g minus f, minus of 5 minus lambda minus plus lambda by 2. Center of the circle is equal to this, and this lies on 2x minus y equal to 0. So, therefore, 2 into 5 minus lambda minus lambda by 2 is equal to 0. So, minus 5 lambda is equal to minus 20. Minus 5 lambda is equal to minus 20. So, therefore, lambda is equal to 4. Lambda is equal to 4. So, when you substitute the value of lambda here, so therefore, required circle is x square plus y square minus 10x plus 4 into 2x minus y is equal to 0, or that is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y is equal to 0. Minus 2x minus 4y is equal to 0. So, answer is option number 1. If the circles S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2ky plus 6 equal to 0, and S dash is equal to x square plus y square plus 2ky plus k equal to 0, cut orthogonally, then k equals 1 2r minus 3 by 2, 2 minus 2r minus 3 by 2, 3 2r 3 by 2, 4 minus 2r 3 by 2. or 3 by 2. Right? Come on. Now this is just to use the condition. We know that S is equal to x square, or we know that x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, and the circle x square plus y square plus 2g dashed x plus 2f dashed y plus c dash equal to 0 cut orthogonally. If and only if 2g g dashed plus 2f f dashed is equal to c plus c dashed. Now, applying this condition, applying this formula, we have 2. In the first circle, g means 1. In the second circle, g dash means k, plus 2ff dashed plus, in the first circle, f means k. In the second circle, in the first circle, 2 means, g means 1, and f means, g dash means 0. G dash means 0. In the second circle, f means k, and here also k is equal to c plus c dash, that means 6 plus k. So that indicates that what you look at is k square, this is 2k square minus k minus 6 is equal to 0. 2k square minus k minus 6 equal to 0. So that is 2k square minus 3k plus 2k minus 6 is equal to 0, or k into 2k minus 3 plus 1 into 2k minus plus 2 into k minus k into 2k minus 3 plus k into 6 into 12, 4 into 3, 12. So that is 2k into k minus 2 plus 3 into k minus 2 equal to 0. So therefore, k is equal to 2 or minus 3 by 2. K is equal to 2 or minus 3 by 2. So correct option is number 1. 70th problem. A circle passes through origin passes through 0, 0 and has its center on the line y is equal to x. The line y is equal to x. If the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 10 equal to 0 cuts orthogonally, the above circle, orthogonally the above circle, then the equation of the circle, equation of the circle is number 1, x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y is equal to 0. 2, x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y equal to 0. 3. X square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y equal to 0. And 4. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y equal to 0. Now what you do is let s be equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 be the required circle. The required circle. Now this passes through 0, 0 implies c is equal to 0. The center minus g comma minus f lies on the line y is equal to x implies g is equal to f. G is equal to f. Now s is equal to 0 cuts orthogonally. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 10 equal to 0 implies 2g, g dash means minus 2 plus 2f, f dashed means minus 3 is equal to c plus c dashed. C is 0, 0 plus 10, 0 plus 10. So that means minus 4g minus 6f is equal to 10. But you know that g is equal to f. So g is equal to, that means, but g is equal to f implies g is equal to f minus 10g is equal to 10. Minus 10g is equal to 10, or g is equal to minus 1, which is same as f. So therefore s is equal to x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y is equal to 0, because c is equal to 0. Because c is equal to 0. This is. So therefore the correct answer is option number 4. So answer is option number 4 itself.